India is entering the final phase of PAN Aadhaar linking, and the message from the Income Tax Department is very clear and firm. The deadline to link your PAN with Aadhaar is December 31st, 2025. From January 1st, 2026, any PAN that remains unlinked will be declared inoperative. That means it cannot be used for filing income tax returns, receiving funds, or carrying out key financial transactions. According to the latest notifications issued by the Central Board of Direct Tax, individuals who were allotted a PAN using an Aadhaar enrollment ID before October 1st, 2024 must now complete the linkage using their permanent Aadhaar number. If this is not done by the end of this year, the PAN will become inactive by default, bringing serious financial consequences. Tax authorities have warned that an inoperative PAN will lead to suspension of income tax refunds and higher rates of tax deduction at SUKS. In simple terms, your money could get stuck and more tax could be cut from your income. Now, from India's compliance perspective, this step is aimed at strengthening transparency and preventing misuse of duplicate or fake identities in the tax system. To link PAN with Aadhaar, taxpayers must first ensure they have three essentials: a valid PAN number, a valid Aadhaar card, and a mobile phone linked to Aadhaar to receive one-time passwords. For PANs issued before July 1st, 2017 that will never linked earlier, a mandatory fee of 1,000 rupees must be paid before proceeding. The process begins on the Income Tax Department's e-filing portal. From the home page, users must click on the link Aadhaar option, the quick link. At this stage, PAN and Aadhaar details need to be entered. If payment is required, users must choose the e-pay tax option and re-enter their PAN, verify their mobile number through an OTP and proceed to pay. During payment, the income tax option must be selected, the assessment here chosen, and the payment category marked as other receipts. The amount of 1,000 rupees is auto-filed and can be paid through net banking, debit card, or UPI. Taxpayers should note that the payment may take 4 to 5 working days to reflect in the system. Once the payment is confirmed, the actual linking request can be completed. Users must again go to the Link Aadhaar section, enter PAN and Aadhaar details, and validate the information. A confirmation message stating that payment details are verified will appear. Now, after this, users must enter their name exactly as per Aadhaar records, confirm Aadhaar validation, and indicate whether only the year of birth is mentioned on the Aadhaar card. Now, the final step involves entering the 6-digit OTP sent to the registered mobile number. Once submitted, the PAN Aadhaar linking process is completed. Taxpayers can also check the status of their linkage without logging in by selecting Link Aadhaar Status under Quick Links and entering PAN and Aadhaar details. A green checkmark confirms successful linking, while pending cases will show that the request has been sent to UIDAI for validation. With the deadline fast approaching, authorities are urging taxpayers not to wait till the last moment. For millions of Indians, this is not just a formality but a critical step to keep their financial identity active and compliant.